Today let us discuss about pointers and arrays in C programming language. C arrays are basically a convenient shorthand for the concept of pointer arithmetic. Here we have an integer array with 4 elements 10, 20, 30 and 40. And we can access these elements using the index of operator. So A of 0 is 10, A of 1 is 20, A of 2 is 30 and A of 3 is 40 here. We can also access these elements using pointer notation. So for that, we declare an integer pointer and we initialize it to refer to the entire array. We increment AP, which is the memory location, so that we can traverse this entire array. So the memory location is incremented by the size of the integer variable, which is essentially the address of the next element. And we can print the element itself using the asterisk notation. So let us see this concept with a simple C program in action. So in line 5, I am creating an integer array called as test, which contains the elements 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. I have an integer variable called as t. And line 7, let me make use of a for loop to iterate over the test array and print all its elements. So here I less than 5, and let me print the elements using the printf function. So let us build and run this program. We have 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So let us access these elements now using the pointer arithmetic. So let me create a pointer, an integer pointer, TP. And let me initialize this pointer to the integer array test. Within the for loop, I can say star TP to print the first element here. So let me build and run this program. So there is a semicolon expected. So let me put a semicolon over here. Let me build and run the program. And as you can see, it prints 10. Now in order to access the remaining elements 20, 30, 40 and 50, we need to increment the pointer. So this will increment the memory location to point to the next address. build and run the code. And as expected, we can see 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Now we can also have a shorthand to this. We can say TP++ this way as well. Let us now see how to access the elements of a character array using pointers. So instead of an integer array, I have a character array with the following elements. And instead of an integer pointer, I have a character pointer that points to test. Now if I build and run the program, I get 49, 50, 51, 52, 53 because I have a %d over here. So let me change that and put %c. And run the program. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Also, I can fill the character array itself by using %yes.